Are you just a developer, or are you the secret weapon driving your company's success? Picture this. A developer spends hours creating a beautiful algorithm, but by the end of the day, the customer comes and says, this does not solve my problem. It hurts, right? But here's the thing. Your job is not just to write code. Your job is to create or deliver value. But how do you make that shift? Well, that's why I made this video. Hey there, my name is Prosper and I'm a full stack developer passionate about bridging a gap between just writing code and creating impactful solutions. And in this video, we'll uncover why your true role is much bigger than just coding. You are hired to solve critical business challenges and deliver real value to your customers. And by the end of this video, you will walk away with practical tips to align your work with that mission. Are you ready to rethink your role? Well, let's dive in. Here's the hard truth. Writing clean, efficient code is great, but if you're not solving any business problems, it's good as useless. Too often, we focus on the how to build this feature, how to implement that algorithm, when we should be asking ourselves why. Why are we building this feature, and what problem am I really solving? When we ignore the bigger picture, we risk delivering something technically brilliant but practically irrelevant. So to succeed as a software engineer, you need to start to think beyond the code base. You need to start to think outside the box, right? So here's how to start delivering real value. You must understand the customer's pain points. Step into their shoes. What are they struggling with, and how can your solution help them solve that issue? Align with business goals. Talk to stakeholders and product managers. Your work should directly support the company's objectives, because that's the number one goal or reason why you were hired in that company, right? Also, prioritize outcomes over output. It's not about how many lines of code you write. It's about the problems you solve and the results that you have managed to achieve by the end of the day. Communicate and collaborate with other teams. Don't just sit behind your keyboard, because I know this is what most developers enjoy. They want to hide away from everyone else, but that's a red flag already, So you need to start collaborate with different departments. You need to start engaging with cross-functional teams to make sure that your solution work for everyone. So just picture this as well. You have spent many hours or the whole sprint creating something or creating a solution, but then when it's time to deploy it, your infrastructure team comes and say your application, one, is not scalable, two, it's chowing a lot of RAM, so because of all those things, your software or your solution is not aligning with also their goals as the infrastructure team. Or the security team comes and say, we have just finished doing a penetration test on your solution and we have found this and this and this, which you need to address. So at that point, because you have shunned away from these teams, you find that at the end of the day, they will come and reject your solution, or it will actually take you time, because after they bring these concerns, you need to go back to the drawing board and try to address them, which will be, at the end of the day, for you, time wisely, it will be costly also for the organization, and your project will be delayed, right? So you need to collaborate with everyone within your organization. So this isn't just a feel-good strategy. This is actually what separates great developers from the rest. So that 1% that we always want to be. So when you focus on delivering value, your work gains purpose, also recognition, and let's be honest, it also opens up doors. It opens more career opportunities, right? So imagine also this way, you just get a call from a certain company's manager saying, we have seen your solution that you implemented at this company that you're currently at, and because we have seen how you solve those problems, we are willing to hire you and offer you twice or thrice the amount that you're being paid there. Isn't it great? So next time you open your IDE, remember this: You weren't just hired to write code, you were hired to solve problems and create impact. Start asking why, focus on outcomes, and watch your work transform from technical tasks to powerful solutions. What do you think? How do you connect your coding to delivering value? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button, share, like, and turn on your notification bells so that you won't miss any other videos that we'll be publishing in the future. Thanks for watching, and remember, you are more than just a developer. You are actually a value creator. So go out there and start making an impact. See you in the next one.